Log into your AhsayCBS Web Management Console as a system user. Then, under Backup and Restore, click the Basic tile. Under the User Home tab, click the plus icon. Enter the path to the new storage location under the Home directory. For this example, we are going to add a local drive. Remember, do not use the same partition as the operating system. Select a different local drive. Modify the maximum QPS ratio if necessary. Then, click the plus icon to add. Click on the Save icon to save the changes. To add a network drive as your new user home, click the Basic tile under Backup and Restore. Under User Home, click the plus icon. Then input the network address of the network drive. If the network drive requires user credentials, check the box beside this Share requires access credentials. Input the username and password. Modify the maximum QPS ratio if necessary. Click the plus icon to add. Then click on the Save icon to save the changes. And that's how you add a new user home on AhsayCBS.